Wait, Brooks, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Cheese. So it's been about 2 months since we had demo day, and all, for the most part, is going really well. We've been displaced in our house, which I think in any construction project, you all who've been through it can understand that it's a little chaotic and trying at times, but we have the best team here, and it's so great to finally see some of the tile install, because that is what we've been really waiting for, the wow moment of our bathroom. And throughout this whole process, I've been getting made fun of because my bathroom is so large and the boys' bathroom is normal size. But all I say is I didn't build the house, we bought it, and we're just making it a little bit nicer for the times. So don't think that I'm too much of a princess.
We're working on the master bath and starting up the boys' bath today. Johnny and his crew just made a huge open space for us and total transformation. The boss is on her way and pretty psyched for her to see it. It's only day 4. I'm sure she's going to be impressed with the progress.
Come on in.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Hey, Kate.
Hi guys, how are you?
Boss is here.
Probably my favorite part of the job of project managing an installation with Josh's crew is getting to come during the process. And it's a great learning experience to see, all the underlayments and the waterproofing that they're doing, and appreciate how much work goes into an installation and their skill. And it's also nice to get out of the showroom and see everything come to life.
And you have a piece of glass right here where your little splash guard, but a nice opening to walk into, tub access, shower access. This is a big drain.
Who knew I'd get so excited about a drain?
It's a pretty important part of the shower.
Let's go see the boys' bath.
Okay. Hey everybody, this is Dylan, part of Josh's crew, and it looks like he's got all the prep done in the bathroom, and we're ready to talk tile layout.
Yeah, so we just finalized our heat mat. We finalized our prep in the shower. We got this awesome decorative tile for the back wall. We got some brick stack or running bond tile for our 2 side walls, and then we got a white marble penny rounds for our floor. So.
And as you can see, we're staying in our nautical theme for Erin, and also continuing with the accent wall theme that we have in the other bathroom.
And how long will this typically take?
Probably 2 days for install, and then a day for grouting and caulking and cleaning up.
I'd say
Not too shabby.
from start to finish, usually a bathroom this size would be like maybe 5 to 8 days of him being here.
Josh, Mark, and his crew have been doing such a great job. I've never had something this nice before, so I am so excited. They're almost basically done with my bathroom, and hopefully in a few weeks, if I could say 3 to 4 weeks, we'll be sleeping in our new bedroom and using our new bathroom.